In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is your mathematics teacher, Mr. Wasim Shahid. And in this lesson, we are going to learn about division of weights. As you remember that last time we were discussing about the same topic. And today we are going to learn more about division of weights. This is our video number 48 and lesson 15 of final term. Dear students, this topic is given in your book page 158. Let us start from that page. Dear students, in page 158, we are going to start question 2. In question 2, the statement is write these in long division form, then solve. Dear students, these sums are given in horizontal form. So first of all, we will write in horizontal form and then we solve. The first one is 6 kg 350 gram divided by 3. Students, first of all we will write kg and g. Kg stands for kilogram and g stands for gram. So first of all we write these two in different columns, and after that we write this 6 here in the below of kg, this 6 and these 350 grams in the below of grams. Divide by, after that we put these two lines like this and divide by 3. Dear students, first of all we are going to start division from kilograms. Here kilograms are 6, and first of all we divide 6 by 3. So count the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. It means we have completely divided 6 by 3. There is no remainder, and after that we directly go to grams. Here we have 350 grams. Let us start to divide 350 by 3. So here first we will divide digit by digit. First digit is 3. So first we divide 3 by 3 because 3 is divisible by 3. So 3 ones are, so first of all we shift this 3 here, and after that we divide. 3 ones are 3, 3 minus 3, 0. So here students you can write 0 as a remainder. If you would not write, then there is no problem. After that you have to shift the second digit. The second digit is 5. Now we are going to divide 5 by 3. So we will count the table of 3 again. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. It means when we multiply 3 by 2 we get 6. 6 is more than 5, therefore we multiply 3 by 1. Again 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3, 2. And after that we shift 0, it will become 20. Now we divide 20 by 3. 3 6 are 18. 18 is a number that is very close to 20. So we subtract 18 from 20, we get 2. In this way, students, you can solve this part. 7 kilogram and 106 gram divided by 4. 4 ones. First of all, here we divide 7 by 4. 4 ones are 4. After that, we subtract 4 from 7. 7 minus 4. Remainder is 3. Students, it means here we remain 3 here. It means 3 kg. 3 kg mean 3000 gram. In 3 kg, we know that we have 3000 gram. So therefore, we change kg into kilogram into gram. So first of all, we write 3000 here and then we add here. So first of all, we will see how many total grams we have. Here we have 106. Here we convert these into grams and then we divide. 6 plus 0, 6. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 3, right as it is. So we have total, we have 3106 gram. Now we divide 3106 by 4. So now you consider this as a 4-digit number. So we first of all we take 3, but here we cannot divide 3 by 4 alone. Therefore we take first two digits. First two digits are 31. So we divide 31 by 4. Count the table of 4. We get 4 sevens are 28. 28 is the number that is very close to 31. When we multiply 4 by 8, we get 32. 32 is bigger than 31. Therefore, we subtract 28 from 31. So we will take 1 from 3, you get 2, and after that 1. 11 minus 8, here we get 3. Here we will divide 2, here 11. 11 minus 8, 3, and shift this 0 down, we get 30. 30 divided by 4. 4 sevens are 28. 28 minus 30, we get 2. You can take 3, take 1 carry from 3, you get here 10. 10 minus 8, 2. And after that, shift this 6 here, you get 26. Now divide 26 by 4. 4 times 6, 28. 24 minus 26, we get 2. Dear students, in this way, you can solve part C, D, E, and F. In part C, 8 kg, 465 gram divided by 3. So we write here 8 kilogram here, 465 in the below of gram. And after that, we will start division from 8 first. So 8 divided by 3. So first of all, we count the table of 3. 3 twos are 6. 8 minus 6. Remainder is 2. It means we here we have 2 kg. 2 kg mean 2000 grams. So we must change these 2 kilograms into grams. So 2 kg equal to 2000. We add and then we get this. After that, we consider this number. Mean here we have these are total grams. So we divide 2465 by 3. For this, first of all, we take these two digits. First of all, we divide 24 by 3. 3 8s are 24. 24 minus 24, 0. And after that, we shift the next digit down. We get 6 here. Now 3 multiplied by 2, we get 6. 6 minus 6, again 0. Shift the last digit is 5. Divide 5 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3, 2. It means our remainder is 2 grams. These are grams. In this way, 5 kg 250 85 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3, 2. Now 2 mean 2 kg mean 2000 gram. Here students, we will change kilogram into gram first because we will add these grams with 285. First of all, we change into grams, then we add with these grams. And after that, we get sum is 5822. You can say, you can directly shift these 3 digits here and put 2 in front of this number. Now, we will divide 22 by 3. 3 sevens are 22. 2 minus 1, 1. And after that, we shift 8. 3 6 are 18. 18 minus 18. 0. Here, 3 times 6, we get 18. 18 minus 18, 0. No need to write 0 here. Just shift the next digit and divide with 3. Next digit is 5. We will write here 5. 5 divided by 3. 3 times 1, 3. 5 minus 3. So here we get 2. Here is 1 is written, but here is a typing mistake. You have to write 2. So here you can write 2. Dear students, next part is next part is 6 kg 15 gram divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4, remainder is 2. 2 kg mean 2000 gram. Now here we write 2000 plus 15. First we change 2 kg into gram. Then we add them. After that we get 2015. Now we divide 2015 by 4. 4 5s are 20. Then we shift 1 here. 1 is smaller than this one is smaller than 4. So you cannot multiply 1 or more than 1. Therefore you have to multiply by 0. 4 0 0. 1 minus 0 1, and then shift this 5. You get 15. 4 7s are 14. 15 minus 14, that is 1. Next part is part F. 9 kg 205 gram divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 9 minus 5, 4. Now shift these three numbers here and put 4 in front of these digits, mean 4205. Now divide 42 by 5. 5 8s are 40. 2 minus 0 2, and shift 0 down. 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. And after that, no need to write 0, and just shift the next digit. Next digit is 5. Divide 5 by 5. 5 ones are 5. That is 0. Dear students, in question 3, we have some word problems. So in these word problems, we are going to find the weight of single thing or each thing when the weight of more than one object or one thing is given. Look at the statement of first one. If 4 packets of wafer chips weighs 840 gram, how much does each packet weigh? In solution, first of all we write the given weight is weight of 4 packets for wafer chips packets, that is 840 gram. So we are going to find weight of one packet, that is equal to 840 gram divided by 4. So here we will divide 840 divided by 4. So we will divide digit by digit. First we take 8. 4 2s are 8. After that we shift 4 down. Shift 4 here, then 4, divide 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4. And 4 minus 4 0. No need to write 0. Shift this last 0. You must divide this 0 as well. So here 0 divided by 4, 4 0 0. And in this way you get 210 gram. Weight of one packet equal to 210 gram. Similarly, you can solve part B and part C. The solution of part B is also written in front of you. You can see here, if a cake weighing 2 kilogram 100 gram is cut into 6 equal pieces, how much will each piece weigh? Mean the weight of cake is given, that is 2 kg and 100 gram. So we want to cut these, we want to divide this cake into 6 equal parts. So number of pieces equal to, we the required number of pieces, that is equal to 6. And if you want to find the weight of each piece, you have to divide, dear students, you have to divide the weight of whole cake divided by 6. So here you will write kilogram and gram in vertical form, and then you divide as you done above. 2 kg and 100 gram divided by 6. Dear students, here grams are kilograms are 2, and we are going to divide 2 by 6. Therefore, first of all, we multiply 6 by 0. 600, 2 remain, 2 will come as it is because 2 is smaller than 6, and when we multiply 6 by 1, we get 6. 6 is greater than. So in this situation, you have to multiply 6 by 0. And after that, you change these kilograms. We have 2 kilograms. 2 kilograms mean 2000 gram. So add these 2000 with these given grams. 2000 plus 1, 2001. 2100 gram. So you divide 2100 or 2100 gram by 6. 6 threes are 18. 18 minus 21 minus 18, that is 3, and shift this 0. You get 30. 6 fives are 30, and 30 minus 30 is 0. And after that, you are 1 0 is remaining. Therefore, you must divide. Put this 0 down, and after that 6 0 0, and 0 minus 0 0. So we get here 0 kilogram and 350 grams. So no need to write 0 kilogram, just write 350 gram. Dear students, in this way you can solve part C. The solution of part C is written in front of you, so you can, this is your homework, you have to solve this word problem by yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.